Welcome back to Sprague Homestead. So today let's talk about why I split with an axe versus a wood splitter. Now every year when we put out that we have finished up our firewood for the year, we've put it away, the comments come in always about using an axe versus a wood splitter. And so after 3 years of getting the comments of, that's crazy, stop splitting with an axe, you should use a wood splitter, I thought, let me explain why I do it. So there are three main things to why I do wood splitting with an axe. So the first reason I split with an axe is for the exercise. If you've watched a lot of our content, you know that I have a normal 9-to-5 job that requires me to be inside in front of a computer more than I'd like to be out here splitting wood. So I use the splitting of the wood as a way to get some exercise. It's a great workout for your back, your shoulders, your grip strength itself, and it's a good way to burn some calories, especially when it's cold out. Your body has to work extra hard for the heat and also the calorie expense of using the wood. Now, some may say, well, there's a lot of easier ways to split wood, and there's also ways to get some exercise, more like taking walks, runs. You can even use a treadmill. I'm only 43, so at this point, I would rather be outside getting a good workout and letting my body know that it's still okay to have a little sweat on it. The second reason I don't split with a wood splitter is time or speed. A wood splitter, while it is absolutely strong in a linear fashion, it takes some time to be able to split through some wood with a hydraulic splitter. There are some out there that are a little bit faster, not as strong, and I think just with being able to read the wood correctly and having correct seasoned wood, an axe should go straight through it. I can probably split wood with an axe probably 3 to 4 times faster than I would with a hydraulic splitter. And since I can do it at this point in my life, I'm going to do it that way. I don't have the time to be able to, take a week to split a cord. This last time we took 8 days. I split 2 cords by hand with the help of Nikki. And then we stacked it in and we moved on to the next chore, getting ready for winter. And I'll say the last thing, or the third reason why I split with an axe is for cost. A good axe, even if it's a heavy-duty splitting maul, probably going to cost you less than $50. A good splitter, whether it's new or used, can be $800 to $1,000, and at this point, I figure $1,000 to buy a piece of equipment that I can do just with some exercise is not the best investment for me or for us right now. Now, granted, give me another 5 years of doing this homesteading thing and splitting with an axe, and boy, once I get up towards 50, I might want to grab that wood splitter. But today, I'm going to spend my money elsewhere. Now, outside of that, you guys still might be trying to change my mind about getting a wood splitter. So I leave it up to you. Change my mind on splitting by hand. I can split faster, for cheaper, and still get some exercise at this point. I'm not saying I'll never get a wood splitter because I can't guarantee the future, but at this point, I'd rather just split by hand. So it's up to you. If you split by a wood splitter, I'd like to hear about it. I'd like to know why you do it, if it's different than the 3 things I come up with. And it's in your court. So that's it. Kanan from Sprague Homestead. We'll see you next time.